Windows 10 KB5023773 is now available with improvements. Windows 10 KB5022773 is heading to PC in the production with many quality improvements and bug fixes. This is an optional update and it won't install automatically. Still, you always download it from Windows Update or Microsoft Update Catalog. The portal that house direct download links for KB5023773 offline installers. KB5023773 is an optional update and users should download it only if they need these bug fixes, while the optional update is much safer than the preview builds offered to users in the Windows Insider program. Waiting for the mandatory patch Tuesday updates is generally a good idea. The main highlighting of the cumulative update is phased related to the USB printers as per official release notes. Microsoft has fixed an issue that affects USB printers. The company admitted a bug in Windows 10 that marked this USB printer as multimedia device even though they are not. The update will appear as 2023-03 Cumulative Preview update for Windows 10 version 22S2 for x64 based system KB5023773. The patch is under the optional update section of Windows Update. However, the update won't show up if you have not dismissed Windows 11 upgrade offer. It is also worth noting that future optional updates will ship in the fourth week of every month instead of the third. Microsoft has changed its Windows Update schedule and replaced the CD updates with fourth week optional update for Windows 11 and 10. Windows 10 KB5023773 build 19045.2788 full changelog. There are several bug fixes in this update. For example, Microsoft has fixed an issue that affects the MS App Installer URI. It now supports the desktop app installer policy. The update fixes a problem that affects the remote procedure call service rpcss.exe. The problem might cause a conflict between the distributed component object model DCOM and the Microsoft remote procedure call RPC endpoint mapper. Microsoft has fixed an issue that affects the Microsoft HTML application host HTA. This issue prevents code execution that uses Microsoft HTA. This happens when you enable Windows Defender Application Control WDAC user mode code integrity UMCI enforce mode. Here a list of all important bug fixes and improvement. The update fixes a problem that affects desired state configuration. It resets its previously configured option. This happens if metaconfig.mof is missing. Microsoft has faced an issue that affects some printers. A bug that affects printer using Windows Graphical Device Interface GADI has been fixed. However, these drivers do not follow the spec outlined in the GDI. The update fixes a problem that affects the Simple Certificate Enrollment Protocol SCEP certificate. The system wrongly reports some SCEP certificate installation as failed. Instead, the system should report them as pending. Microsoft has faced an issue that affects the Fast Identity Online 2.0 FIDO2 pin credential icon. It does not show up on the credential screen of an external monitor. This happens when the monitor is connected to a closed laptop. Another bug has been fixed that affects app using Windows UI library in the Windows App SDK WinUI 3. A bug has been fixed where user cannot delete multiple accounts during cleanup of shared PC account manager. A bug has been fixed where LSA.exe might stop responding when it sends a lightweight directory access protocol LDAP query to a domain controller. In related news, user recently reported problem with Windows 10 March 2023 update with some nothing that the update crashes their device with blue screen. It is possible you may run into similar issues when installing the optional update, which is why it may be a good idea to wait until April 2023 update or not.